Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a special request from one of my subscribers who wanted some home remedies. When I was thinking about home remedies, the first thing which came to my mind is the Kashayam. Kashayam is a popular herbal drink which is made in many South Indian households, and the recipe is passed down from mother to daughter over generations, which is used in the treatment of common colds, coughs, throat congestion, sore throat. It definitely eases the symptoms and you feel much better when you have this Kashayam. And now this is the monsoon season and you have school children coming back home with a bad cold or a cough, which will definitely make you feel better. And it can be given to people of all ages from 8 to 80. It works very well. So let's see how to make it. First, the ingredients which we'll need are some tulsi leaves. All of you will be familiar with this tulsi or holy basil. Tulsi leaves. These are betel leaves. And then a few corns of black pepper. These are carom seeds, omam or ajwain. This is dry ginger powder or shukku or sont, turmeric powder and some honey. So for step 1, what we need to do is, we are going to dry roast about a teaspoon of this pepper powder, another teaspoon of this omam or carom seeds. Dry roast them lightly and then make them into a coarse powder. You just lightly fry them for a couple of minutes, dry roast them and make them into a coarse powder. If you don't have this mortar and pestle, you can just run them in your mixie and make it a coarse powder. Next, heat a pan and take 2 glasses of water and allow it to boil. The water is boiling now, so we'll add our ingredients one by one. Just tear up the betel leaves, reduce the flame, tear up the betel leaves and add to it. Then I have removed the tulsi leaves. This many you can take, about half a handful. Add it to that. Add a teaspoon of this dried ginger powder. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and then the roasted and ground black pepper and carom seeds or omam. Add it to that and allow it to simmer till it reduces to half the quantity. We added 2 tumblers of water, let it come down to 1 tumbler. Till then let's do about half the quantity. You can switch it off and slowly filter it out into a glass. So your healthy golden colored Kashayam is ready. You can serve this about half a glass each time, 3 times a day. It will definitely relieve the symptoms of cold and cough and the person starts feeling much better. This is because, as we all know, turmeric has got antiseptic properties and both tulsi and especially betel leaf act as expectorants in bringing the phlegm out. Similarly, ginger is also very good for the throat, so also is black pepper. So you have a whole lot of natural, very good ingredients readily available in the kitchen, which you can use initially when you have some cough and cold and try to treat it at home. For children, they may not be able to drink the Kashayam as it is. So for them, what you can do is, you can just allow it to be a little warm and then add a teaspoon of honey to this. Even adults can mix honey and drink. Honey has also very good soothing properties for the throat. So you add honey to the Kashayam and drink it. So please do make a note of this home remedy and use it wherever you require for your family and friends, and subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen for more such interesting recipes. Thank you.